came out hiking, trying to fly my drone, and I hear that. Two things go in mind. One, it's hunting season. Two, they're killing people. I was gonna go record behind those mountains. There's a waterfall. I didn't bring water or anything, so then I was like, you know what, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'll just come back tomorrow. I was so close, and I was like, oh, I'll just do a couple shots in the waterfall. Pretty hot. It's not hot like a few days ago, but it's hot, but not that hot. But it's pretty hot. It's kind of like those people like get to Everest and there's a certain point they have to come back or else they won't make it. As I'm coming back, I hear those, then the shots started getting closer. So what I started thinking, okay, let's put the situation that they're hunting, right? It's hunting season right now and they're hunting something, right? So first shots, I was like, all right, I guess they saw an animal, something to hunt, and they started shooting at it. I'm like, all right, whatever. I kept hearing them again and again. I'm like, those people don't know how to shoot fucking game, right? As I thought, I was like, oh shit, I'm hearing closer and closer. Whatever they're hunting is getting away and going towards my way. I better get the fuck out of here before I become the game. I better get the f*** out of here.